Hi guys, my name is Kat. I'm Filipino and my husband is Abby. He's Indian. I just want to share with you a quick glimpse of our wedding in India. I'm not gonna show you the whole video because I'm gonna have a hard time blurring people out because I don't know if they want to be seen in the video. So, we got married in 2022 after nagbukas na ulit yung borders post-pandemic. 6 days before the wedding lang din kami ulit nagkita ni Abby after 3 years. I'm gonna explain that. I've lived in Ireland since I was 12. Tapos I met Abby when I was in college and he was doing his master's. Then, he had to leave Ireland in 2019 because tapos na yung student visa niya. So, kita niyo naman sa clip na to, medyo clueless talaga ako sa mga ginagawa nila sa akin. Pero, yan, nagustuhan ko naman yung pagbibigay nila sa akin ng gold. May mga pinakain din sila sa akin na hindi ko alam. 99% of the preparations were done by my sister-in-law, which I'm super thankful for. But yon, I had no trial makeup. I didn't get to fit my wedding dress until the day of the wedding. And yung iba ko pang outfits. Talaga myself was the wedding dress. Kasi sinend nila ako ng pictures. So I got to pick the dress. The rest sila na nag-decide for me. Di ko naman sila sinisisi. Thankful ako. Kasalanan ko naman kasi nagmamadali ako magpakasal. So, ayun. This one, yung outfit ko, ito yung Mandy. Yung outfit ko dito mukha akong flight attendant. So, hindi ako super happy about this week. But anyway. So, whenever I talk about the wedding nga pala, actually 2 days siya. First day was our engagement party, plus yung Mandy and Haldi ceremony. The next day was the actual wedding day sa gabi. So basically, 2 days siya. Tapos, 1 outfit each, parang ganap. So for a long time, syempre nasa isip ko na sa wedding day ko, I feel the prettiest, ganyan. Tapos gusto ko talaga yung makeup and hair ko, super parang natural looking lang, ganyan. Ayoko ng heavy eyeliner, tapos, kasi nung wedding day ko, yung makeup artist, nilagyan niya ako ng super thick eyeliner. So, mas lumiit yung mata ko. Tapos yung eyebrows ko din, super strong. I didn't like. Kaya, ayun, na-disappoint talaga ako ng doon. Kasi wala na din ako magawa. Nilagyan niya ako ng highlighter sa ilong na, ang laki na nga ng ilong ko. Mas pinalaki pa niya yung itsura. Ayan, gusto niyo makita yung close up. Ayoko talaga. Bakit ng eyebrows ko? Oh my gosh. Anong ginawa niya sa akin? Ayoko na. Ayoko talaga i-post yung mga clips na yun. Na super kita yung full face ko. Pero alam mo yun, kasi wedding day ko. So, medyo sad lang doon. Pero, hopefully, in the future, we get to do another wedding. Sana. In my own terms. But yeah, I'm super happy na na-experience yung Indian wedding and all. Super ganda ng mga dress. Like yung mga lehenga and sari. Super, super beautiful. So, hopefully, sa next wedding namin, I get to decide every little thing. Tapos, yun, fun lang. And alam ko yung mangyayari. So, that's it for today's little random video. See you in the next one. Bye!